So today we will make a intro in Scratch. There will be a series of many such intros. This is one of them. So it will look like this. So to make it, open a new project and delete sprite 1 and paint a new sprite. Write your name. I'll write Scratch. It in. Change the fill color to yellow. Increase the size and drag it to the center. Now convert it into bitmap. Select eraser tool and delete the dot of I. Now select the whole word with select tool. Copy it, then delete it and select fill tool. Change fill color to gradient of red and blue and fill it. Now convert it into vector, select the select tool and paste it. Now move the name to the center. Now paint a new sprite. Select the brush tool. Go to sprite 1. Select fill. Select choose color. Fill this. Go to sprite 2. Fill the center with this color. Increase the size. Now go to code area. From events, drag when flag clicked. From motion, select, go to X and Y, change it to minus 240 and 21. Go to sprite 1. From events, drag when flag clicked from motion, drag go to X and Y and change it to 0 and 0. Now go to sprite 2, drag point in direction 90 and change it to 60. Now we'll get this value. So average of 998 and minus 240 is equal to minus 71. So go to controls, drag, repeat until from operators, drag a greater than block right here minus 71. From motion, select X position. So it will and drag a moving block. Now as it is going so high, so we'll reduce this to 75. Yes, 75 is better. Now Now duplicate this block and add point in direction 105. Replace X position with Y position and change the value to 30. Sorry, no, we have to replace this like this. Oh yes, as it is not dot 20. This is also not getting, so you can change this value to 5. Over here 30 or 25 is. This is right. Now it will change X by 5 because it's not exactly on I. And Y also, Y of 3. Sorry, it's change. -3. Now it will go up. So move 5 steps and or move 2 steps and repeat it 25 times. Duplicate this and it will be, sorry, it is change Y by, and this will be change Y by -2. Instead of doing it to 25, change it to 24. So now we'll have to add a trail for the dot. So go to events when flag clicked. Now go to variables and drag set my variable to 0. Drag my variable equal 1. From control drag repeat until my variable equal 1. Create clone of myself. Now drag when I start as a clone, repeat 10. From looks, change color effect by 25 and change it to ghost. Now we can run it. In full screen mode. Now here it will broadcast message 1. So go to events. to events, like broadcast message one from variable, drag change my variable by one. Now from motion, drag glide 3 seconds to X and Y. Change X to minus 578 and don't change the Y. Go to sprite 1 from events, drag when I receive message 1 from motion, drag glide 3 seconds to minus 480. Sorry, the value for the ball will be minus 382. This works. Now it will fade out. So duplicate this block and add it in bright one too. Now to continue your project, you can add broadcast start project and do this. So this is ready. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.